In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your display name shows up just the way you want across the app. First, open Claude AI and look to the bottom left area of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This could be your avatar or your initials. Click that profile area to open your account options. This is the quickest way to reach all your personal settings without digging around. Next, click Settings. It may appear as a gear icon or simply the word Settings, depending on your interface, but they lead to the same place. This panel is where Claude keeps your account preferences, and it's the control center for updates like name, theme, and other basics. Once you're in Settings, make sure you're under the General section. This is important because General is where Claude displays your account details, including the full name field. That full name is your display name. The name others may see associated with your profile, shared content, or exports. It's different from your email or login. You're just adjusting how your name appears in the app. Now, simply enter the name you want to use in the full name field. Take a moment to check capitalization and spelling so it looks polished. If you use a preferred name or a nickname, you can put that here. Keep it professional if you're part of a team or using Claude in a work setting, and consider avoiding emojis or unusual symbols if your organization has naming policies. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save Changes. That's the key action that applies your update. After saving, your new name should be reflected immediately across Claude's interface. If you don't see it update right away, give the page a quick refresh and it should appear correctly. A few helpful notes as you wrap up. Changing your display name won't affect your login credentials or any billing information. It's purely how your name is shown in the app. If you're part of a managed organization and the field is locked or grayed out, your admin may control names centrally, so you might need to reach out to them to request a change. And if you collaborate or share outputs, this is the name others will likely see. So choose something consistent and clear. That's it. Click Profile in the bottom left, go to Settings, open General, update your full name, and save changes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed display name on Claude AI.